my name is Shweihninzy and today I'm going to be reviewing another drugstore foundation for you guys. I asked you guys on Instagram, I showed you all the foundations that I had and I said vote which one I should use today, and the winner was the Maybelline Dream Radiant Liquid Hydrating Foundation. This has hyaluronic acid in it and collagen, and again I picked all of these online, so if the coloring is off for me, I apologize. I went based off of the description. This said this was light neutral, and this is definitely a bit too dark for me, but we'll have to make it work. I already went ahead and did my eyeshadow. It's pretty similar to one of the looks that I already did, but I went in with a different lid and crease color, but pretty much the same. I wanted to match my shirt today. Got a little misguided haul. If you guys want a haul, let me know. So let's give this a shot. As you guys can see, I have a lot of acne scarring and I do have some active breakouts from me picking, because this quarantine is getting to me and I have nothing else to do besides pick my face and my boyfriend's. He just looked at me like, huh? And I'm like, yeah. And he's like, leave me alone. This is why you don't date an esthetician. So on one side, I have a sponge. Today I'll be using the Real Technique sponge. This is damp. And on the other side, I'll be using the Sigma F80. All I have is moisturizer on my skin right now. So let's dive in. Oh. This is definitely gonna be a little dark for me. That was 3 pumps. At least it's not that liquidy, but yeah, this is definitely gonna be. Oh no, this is too dark. No. Okay, we'll make it work. We'll make it work! This is supposed to give up to 12 hours of continuous hydration, visibly improve the look of skin, medium coverage with radiant finish, doesn't clog pores, dermatologist tested. There we go. There is one layer of the foundation on. We can still see some discoloration in there and the redness peeking through, but the foundation does have that nice healthy glow to it. So I wonder if I can build it up a little bit. So let's go in with another pump and try and cover up some of these spots. It looks like we are getting some more coverage. This is definitely too dark for me. Making sure to blend down the neck. Oh yeah, I have to blend a lot. I'm probably gonna have to go in with the sponge down there. But I definitely got a little bit more coverage with that second pump and just kind of stippling where I want more coverage, but that looks pretty good. Let's go in with the sponge on this side. I always feel so awkward doing my foundation on this side of my face. This I was picking, so that's not a breakout from anything like that, so that was my fault. It definitely has like an interesting smell to it, so I don't know what I would describe the smell as being, but there's definitely a scent of some kind. So there we go with the sponge side. It definitely looks very even and healthy. A little heavy on the brush side for sure, but I don't know if it's because I just put more on. But since the sponge is wet, you know, it obviously does thin out the foundation. So I'm gonna go in with the sponge here and just kind of blend. But you can totally tell this is a bit too dark for me, but wow, this definitely looks just really healthy. Yeah, I think it looks really, really good. So let's go ahead and put on some concealer. I'm gonna go in with my regular powders and concealer and everything. I love the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This will definitely help with lightening up some areas. So I'm gonna go in and kind of really highlight. Arlo! It's not snack time. Oh yeah, that definitely helped bring in some lightness for sure. Oh yeah, that helped a lot. I think everything just looks really good. We'll have to see what it looks like outside. I am venturing out into public later. I gotta go to the store. Gotta be careful. So there we go. What do you guys think? I think it looks really, really good. So let's go in with some setting powder. I'm gonna use the Hard Candy translucent powder under my eyes. I'm going to go in with one of my lighter Maybelline SuperStay Full Coverage powders to hopefully lighten it up as well. And you guys know I use this because that is what I would normally do. This will add more coverage, but again, that is what I would normally do if I was wearing this foundation day to day. And I know this is going to get rid of some of that radiance to it, but oh, yeah, this powder is very light. Maybe this is too light. I brush all the extra powder away. What do you guys think? With the powder, it definitely helped, but you guys can see like there is some difference in the color. Hopefully it won't be as bad outside, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Dominic Paul palette. Let's go in with Samui. Is that how you say that? Samui? Samui in Japanese means cold. That's how I read that, so. Samui. Let's go in with the Sigma blush palette. I think I'm gonna dive into Tiger Lily. These two colors. And then we'll go back in with the Dominic Paul Cosmetics highlighters, and I'm mistaken them. I said the wrong names. So Orchid is the lighter one and Lantern is the more gold toned one. So Orchid and Lantern. And I like mixing the both of them together. Dang! Look at that highlight! Ooh. For lips, I'm gonna go in with the Sigma Infinity Point lipstick. These are amazing. They're so pretty, and this one is in the color Deja Vu. Hopefully this matches okay, but like the shape just hugs the lips and they're so smooth. And there we have it. Let's use the Catrice Freezing Setting Spray. I'm gonna try this again because I don't know, this is a really interesting spray. I like it. So if you haven't seen my Catrice video, check that out. So here we have the foundation up close. What do you guys think? I think this looks beautiful and just, I always say this about everything, just healthy, skin-like. So far, everything looks really good besides me getting something that was too dark. The time is currently 3:43 right now, and we'll keep this on as long as we can. All right, it's 5:16 right now. We just went to the grocery store and Target, went in, went out, we wore gloves. Got some things that we needed, but here is the foundation. Hopefully this is on focus. I'm using the rear facing camera so that the quality is better, but it actually looks a lot better outside than I was expecting it to. The color isn't that dark for sure, but I think everything looks really good. They both sleep outside of the bucket. Sillies. What are you doing in there? You comfy? Luna's sleeping silly. Always sleeping next to the shoes. Hello, hello, hello! The time is now 10:11. So I've had this foundation on for 6 hours, and you guys, this, for being like a radiant, hydrating foundation, this held up, I think, better than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I mean, like, look at my skin right now. Like, what? And I'm not noticing any breakouts or anything. I did rub like down here. I was eating and I kept like going like this, which I know you shouldn't do. But yeah, and then this was a pustule that I had already. And this one was too, but otherwise I'm not noticing any new breakouts or anything like that, but everything looks like really good. And I was outside in the rain and the humidity. It rained, the sun was out today, and then it went away. And of course, while I was out running errands and everything, and it was cloudy and gross and humid and nasty, so I got like mist on my face while I was outside running around doing things. And I am pleasantly surprised, like no joke. No joke. And my eyeshadow looks really good still. I'm digging this like mint color. You guys, I quite like this foundation. If you guys haven't tried this, you should for sure. If you definitely suffer from, like, I have dry skin and then I'm super oily in the T-zone, but I don't notice it like making me more oily or anything like that. I'm not sure if it's because I used you know, the Maybelline SuperStay powder on top or anything like that, but you guys know that is my holy grail powder at this point. Yeah, or maybe it was the Catrice setting spray. I mean, like, for real? This combination? Hello? I feel like I'm looking really decent. And you guys also said you voted for the Milani foundation. This foundation right here is the next one for me to try. So the next video I'll be doing will be on the Milani Screen Queen foundation. So if you want to see this review, hit subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm always uploading on Instagram like IGTV videos, which has been a lot of fun for sure. So definitely follow me on there. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for helping me pick out the foundation for today. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!